Introducing the 2026 Ford Maverick Lariat all-wheel drive, a game changer for the modern driver. This carbonized gray metallic hybrid comes equipped with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine and a power-split electric continuously variable transmission. Key highlights include a massive 13.2-inch liquid crystal display touchscreen, a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system, and the stylish black appearance package. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Think you have to sacrifice truck capability for fuel efficiency? Think again. The 2026 Maverick Lariat is designed to handle everything the Fraser Valley throws at it. Whether you're navigating the busy streets of Abbotsford, heading out to Mission for the day, or exploring the scenic routes around Sumas Mountain, this truck is ready. It features 19-inch black painted aluminum wheels and the 4K tow package, which includes a conventional spare tire for added peace of mind. Inside, the black onyx trim is complemented by ambient lighting and a heated steering wheel, making every drive through the valley a luxury experience. You'll also enjoy the power moonroof and the convenience of a power sliding rear window. For safety and ease of driving, this model includes a 360-degree camera, front and rear park sensors, and adaptive cruise control. The intelligent access with push-button start and remote keyless entry mean you can get moving quickly, while the dual-zone electronic air conditioning keeps the cabin perfect for all passengers. This Maverick is also built with practical exterior features like an acoustic laminate windshield, auto high beams, and light-emitting diode headlamps. The bed is highly functional with enclosed bed storage and pickup box light-emitting diode lighting, plus a power tailgate lock for security. Inside, you'll find an 8-inch productivity screen, power locks and windows, and a second-row bench flip-up seat with under-seat storage for your gear. A question we often hear is, how does the Maverick Hybrid perform in terms of efficiency? Based on the official data, this vehicle achieves an impressive 6.6 liters per 100 kilometers combined, with a city rating of 6 liters per 100 kilometers. This efficiency is paired with advanced safety tech like pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and the SecureLock anti-theft system. With selectable drive modes and electric power-assisted steering, you have total control whether you're on the highway or crossing the Abbotsford Mission Bridge. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.